Good morning, and may I welcome everyone to the 6th meeting in 2021 of the Delegated Powers and Law Reform Committee. As we're meeting online today, it's more challenging for members to indicate agreement to the items being discussed. I therefore ask you to raise your hand if you're not content with the question being put, or if you wish to speak about that instrument. First item of business is to decide whether to take items 6, 7 and 8 in private. As these involve consideration of future reports, these will be published when agreed. Is the committee content to take items 6, 7 and 8 in private? No member has indicated that they are not content or that they wish to speak, and so we are agreed. Next item of business is consideration of an instrument laid under the European Union Withdrawal Act 2018. The committee is considering if the appropriate category has been applied by the Scottish Government to SSI 2021 draft Fee-Fishing EU Exit Scotland Amendment Regulations 2021. Is the committee content that the instrument has been categorised properly as of medium significance? No member has indicated that they are not content or that they wish to speak, and so we are agreed. Under agenda item 3, we are considering an instrument subject to the made affirmative procedure. No points have been raised on SSI 2021-50, Personal Protective Equipment, Temporary Arrangements, Coronavirus Scotland Regulations 2021. Is the committee content with this instrument? Here. No member has indicated that they are not content or that they wish to speak, and so we are agreed. Under agenda item 4, we are considering instruments subject to the affirmative procedure. Firstly, an issue has been raised on the Draft Criminal Justice Scotland Act 2003 Supplemental Provisions Order 2021. Section 14 of the Criminal Justice Scotland Act 2003 makes provision for the Scottish ministers to use delegated powers to prescribe variously which courts can receive victim statements, which offences should require victim statements, and the form and manner in which victim statements may be made. This draft instrument would amend Section 14 of the 2003 Act to allow Scottish ministers to combine exercise of these powers to make different provision for different purposes. The policy note accompanying the instrument indicates that the intention is that the powers be used more flexibly to allow victim statements to be made in relation to specific offences being tried in a specific court in a prescribed manner. This would enable piloting of different models of victim statement scheme. While there is no suggestion that the instrument is out with virus, the instrument has been made by what appears to be an unusual or unexpected use of the power to make supplemental provision in Section 84(1) of the 2003 Act. This approach may be something the lead committee wishes to raise with the relevant minister when taking evidence on the instrument. But does the committee wish to draw this instrument to the attention of the Parliament on reporting ground G, as it has been made by what appears to be an unusual or unexpected use of the powers conferred by the parent statute? No member has indicated they are not content or that they wish to speak, so we are agreed. An issue has also been raised on the Draft Community Orders Coronavirus Scotland Regulations 2021. Drafting errors have been identified in Regulation 4.1b and c of the instrument. In both instances, the reference to relevant unpaid work or other requirement should be to relevant unpaid work or other activity requirement, as defined in Regulation 1. Does the committee wish to draw this instrument to the attention of the Parliament on the general reporting ground on the basis that there are drafting errors in Regulation 4 of the instrument, and to note that the Scottish Government has undertaken to amend these errors by way of a correction slip? No member has indicated that they are not content or that they wish to speak, and so we are agreed. Also under this agenda item, no points have been raised on the Draft Sea-Fishing EU Exit Scotland Amendment Regulation 2020. Is the committee content with this instrument? And no member has indicated that they are not content or that they wish to speak, so we are agreed. Under agenda item 5, we are considering instruments subject to the negative procedure. No points have been raised on SSIs 2021 59, 60, 63, 64 and 65. Is the committee content with these instruments? Thank you. No member has indicated that they are not content or that they wish to speak, and so we agree. So thank you, and I now move the meeting into private.